on this cliffside here. Found us a mushroom. And we have another one. Right here. There's that one. And alright, I got my feet planted down. I'm gonna go get that one. Pick this one.
Video? Ready?
Woo! We got one mushroom. And we have a cluster of two. And we have one more up here. We have 4 mushrooms just like that. Okay, we got this mushroom. And back there, Mother found a mushroom. Woo! We have this one. And over here we have this one. And then back here, we had this one. Woo! Good sized ones. We have just found a cluster of 4 mushrooms. That's 1 mushroom. 2 mushroom. 3 mushroom. And 4 mushroom.